Hi everyone, this is Parker from parkerblocks.com. Today is a Thursday and exactly 1 week ago the Urban Sketches Symposium just got started, and back then I did not have the time to look through the goodie bags, so today I'll be so-called unbagging what's inside the goodie bags. So let's take a look at what's inside. This is a Straits commercial plastic bag. Let's see what's inside. Straits Commercial is an art store in Singapore, so they are a bit smaller than the other art store called Art Brand, but they sell more specialty stuff. This is a watercolor paper. We have what's this? A schmink. Is this 1 tube of schmink watercolor paper samples for Stillman Birn sketchbooks, and a Da Vinci synthetic brush. The program booklet. This program booklet features my sketch on the cover. Very useful. Then we have this Latched 1917 sketchbook. I'm not sure how to pronounce the name itself. Let's take a look at what's inside the sketchbook. Get my pen knife. So it's a blank sketchbook, and inside the pages are a bit, I'll say, grey tone. There are some little white dots on it. Apparently there's some feature on it where it allows you to scan the page with your handphone, and I'm not sure what it does exactly, but I'll do a separate review for this. This is the sketchbook that they provided for the Urban Sketches Symposium. It comes with a embossed design on the front, especially for the symposium. Hardcover, acid-free, 249 pages. It comes with a nice ribbon. Okay. Then we have the Moleskine watercolor sketchbook. This one comes with a design especially for the Urban Sketches Symposium as well, for this year's edition in Singapore. So let's take a look at what's the design. And this is the back. Oops. You actually have to. And this is the special cover design. Inside the cover there's also this design here. So that's the Moleskine sketchbook. Straits Commercial card. Art friend voucher. I was there just yesterday to buy some sketchbook. Some stickers, Urban Sketchers stickers from Hong Kong. some extra discount coupons. This is a Caran Dutch. I'm not sure what this is. Let's open it. Yeah. Oh, these are sample Caran Dutch samples for the new color 1 and new color 2. They are water soluble, I think, pastels or wax pastels. So they are water soluble wax pastel. Let's take a closer look. So they have included this little sticks here. This little sticks here that you can use. We'll try it later on. So that's Caran Dutch. They sell quite a lot of very nice color pencils at the booth that day. This is the towel. A lot of instructors and participants have told me that this is one of the most useful thing in the goodie bag because it helps to dry your sweat. So this towel, yep, very useful. And there's a badge here, Urban Sketcher badge. This is the other very useful thing, paper fan. Oh, a map of Singapore. Very useful. Water. This is from Shop Orex. They sell sketchbooks and Super 5 ink. Super 5 is a German brand of ink. So let's take a look. It's a waterproof ink. Waterproof colored ink. So they have 6 colors. In a separate video I've talked about their colors. So this one is a sample that they sent out in this goodie bag. And they have a sketchbook as well. And this is 20 by 25 inch sketchbook. White paper. 32 sheets, 140 GSM. Wow, it's quite nice. It's I think it's mainly for dry media. Very nice. They also sell watercolor sketchbooks on their website. We'll post a link there because I really like their sketchbook because they use Fabriano paper, 160 GSM. And you have another guidebook. This one is a guidebook to the Brasa precinct, which is the areas that we were sketching during the symposium for the 3 days. Shin Han art. So they provided 3 tubes of watercolor as sample, small tubes. What's that? Permanent Red, Ultramarine Deep, and Van Dyke Brown. Very useful color. Then we have the Shorty pencil. This one is manufactured by Wörther. So this one is a rather cute pencil. It's very short. And yep, let's take a look. I've actually reviewed this pencil before. You can take different color leads. This lead is actually 3.15 mm if I remember correctly. So it's not your usual 2mm lead. And it's quite short. Has a hexagonal design. Very nice, very cute. And lastly we have a box of pencils from Cretacolor. Let's look at what's inside. Made in Austria. So we have a special, it's a customized stamped for the symposium. This is quite difficult to open. Let's use the pen knife. six pencils. Let's see what they have. The first one is wow, a white pencil, the black chalk, followed by the charcoal. Then they have the Neuro Extra Soft, Neuro Medium, and the last one is a graphite aquarelle. That means it's a water soluble graphite. It's a very nice pencil box. I like this, and I'm going to use this with my other Cretacolor box. Oops. So that's all for that's inside this goodie bag. Of course, they have this very nice canvas bag with a nice stamp on it and all the sponsor logos on the back. And yep, that's all for this video. See you next year in the next Urban Sketcher Symposium, which is going to be happening in Manchester, UK. Remember to subscribe to my channel because I'll be posting more videos on urban sketching, reviews of art book products and other art related stuff. Thanks for watching. See you next time.